How to fix error RG45 at chess.com. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The first step is to make sure you have the latest version of chess.com application. So if there is an update button instead of this play button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version of the application. After that, go to settings, go to apps, find chess.com application or simply chess in your mobile phone. Then go to its storage and tap on clear cache. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.